So once again we've propped up the camcorder on some junk because the tripod's in the organ workshop. So I've got the Midland 4001, this is the one with the faulty public address function, and then we've done a retune and it's working great. Let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Hello there, we're recording now.
Roger that.
So your 1981 set using the Maxcom chassis, so it's the same as the Maxcom 4E, 6E, Colt 295, Cobra 21. Roger got you at the end of the lane. And then you've got this added antenna warning indicator, which is a bit of a pain if you watched the previous video to set up. So having sorted out the public address function, really it was just a matter of a routine service, and the radio's just doing 3.9 watts. And if you looked at the video previous, it was doing 5.7 on a less accurate meter.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads. I love that phrase, square wheeled, and as a radio amateur it's one I like to come out with. They then think I'm an ex-CBer when I'm not.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Oh, Roger, I've got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Midland 4001 from 1981, and the radio's doing 3.9 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. As I keep saying, that's our most difficult one. That's the 5 mile point. It's in a bit of an extra valley, and there's trees all around. Though with it being January the 9th, there aren't many trees at the moment, or not many leaves on them. Roger got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. Yeah, well, that worked great. So we'll start on these next Midland set tomorrow. I say we're doing one set a week at the moment. This will be the next radio will be the last one in box sequence 1. So we'll actually be able to move on to box sequence 2 either later on this week or next week. So at the moment we're totally full on organ restoration work and not two-way radio. So there we are. Thank you for watching. We'll just go over to the base station and see what it sounds like. Tango 21 testing the Midland 4001. This is the customer's repair ending serial number 0666. And we're into our Harrier CBHQ base station testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching.